Hello weekend crafter, welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. I'm Ange and I love to craft using polymer clay. So it's the 4th week of the month and that usually means it's time to do my color recipes. For this weekend, I wanted to try to see if I could make Milky chalk colors. Chalk paint is actually something that you can DIY with a bit of plaster of Paris and water-based paints. Once they are dry, they come off as matte. I tried to recreate these colors in clay. For the first color, I wanted to start with the darkest shade first because I will also use this color in the lighter shades. Mix equal parts souffle, cornflower, and gentle plum. By the way, I think that using souffle is perfect for making these Milky chalk colors because souffle actually has a bit of natural sheen to it. So like I said, mix these two colors together until they are fully blended. Then, because I want to achieve a deeper color, I add a sliver of black. Remember that black is a strong color to work with, so just add it slowly. And finally, to get that milky finish, I added blue mica to the mix and blended it in. This is very different from just burnishing the clay with mica. You really need to incorporate the mica until there are no uneven spots. This is my first color and I'm calling it Midnight Blue. For the next color, I am taking my Midnight Blue and adding an equal part of silver and the same amount of white as well. Combine all these three colors together until they are fully incorporated. Since silver already has a sheen to it, I didn't add any more mica powder to the mix. This color I am calling Beacon Gray. And for the lightest color of this set, I will use a sliver of Beacon Gray and I mix it with white. I only went with a sliver because I just wanted my white to have a bluish hue. Adding a bit of blue actually helps calm your white so that it's not too bright. And then I mix it with mica in a light tan shade to get that sheen. I also added a little bit more mica to get my white to look even creamier. This color I will call Milky White. For the next shade, you will need the Milky White and add a sliver of Canary Yellow. Because I am blending this with white, I added Canary Yellow in small batches. I added a sliver of yellow first and then mix it with white very slowly because I want to achieve a soft yellow color. I also added cream-colored mica again and mixed this completely. I'm calling this color Ivory Yellow. And for the final color, I went in and added a sliver of Fimo Cognac to Milky White. My Fimo was pretty hard, so it took much longer to condition and for the colors to really incorporate. But don't give up. It will eventually mix very well together. I added a bit of mica in a peach hue and mixed this completely. This one I'm naming Blush Concord. I also wanted to show you a simple Christmas slab that I made using these colors. I flattened out the midnight blue into the number 3 setting to serve as the main slab. I then flattened the ivory yellow into the number 7 setting. I used my clam-shaped cutter, which I will make into Christmas trees. I cut the square at the bottom end into a triangle using the tissue blade and then textured it with my detail needle. I layered it on top of the first triangle. And then I used my silicone mold to make a small star-shaped topper. I repeat the steps using the different colors. I also rolled out a very thin log of white and cut it to make snow. I rolled this out into tiny balls that I placed randomly on the slab. I also used a ball tip to flatten the snow on the slab. I actually ended up making bookmarks with this slab. I hope that you enjoyed watching my color recipe. And if you liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. And if you haven't yet, do consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!
Yeah.